Well, I'm at the consignee in Mississauga. I back to a dock, and you see, because of my 40-inch height, the dock is a perfect fit. Because I know from experience, when you have low profile tires, the trailer will be like 6 inches below. So you see, this is perfect. It will be very easy to unload. I already took all the chains off. I'm just waiting for the guy to drive these brand new backhoe loaders off. See, I like how his seat swivels, so he can face backwards when he works that bucket, and he can face forwards when he uses this one. Great. But the guy doesn't look like he's too familiar with this particular 310 SK John Deere. He's looking at some controls inside the cab. Oh, and we are rolling. Right on the dock. Okay, and I let the air out of the airbags, so this way the trailer didn't move too much. Beautiful. Brand new. Now guess how much it cost. I looked at the invoice. It's about 100 grand, like $95,000 or $99,000. But I think these guys got a big discount, because this is a equipment rental place. I think there was like 26% discount for them. It was called the Jobber discount. Alright, now machine number 2 is ready to go. We're lifting the rear bucket, adjusting the boom, adjusting the bucket. So this machine, like I said on the previous video, so weighs 18,600. Oh, this is gonna be trickier for this guy, because now he has to back. Okay, he lifts the front bucket. And slowly we go. Now with some small adjustments. The backhoe is off the trailer. And my work is done. Now one last thing I wanted to show you guys. See this rubber? This was sitting under the buckets. Check this out. See how bad the damage is? It's like almost a hole in the rubber. And here's another one. See? And that was the edge of the bucket. Check this out, it almost cut the rubber. So if I didn't put this rubber under the bucket, so like look at this one. That was again the edge of the bucket. It was very sharp. So if I didn't put this rubber, I would have another hole in the see, here, almost a hole. So never listen to these guys. You know, oh, we ship like this all the time. Basically, always put something under the metal. Never put metal directly on the deck.